So Matt, lots of applications out there, lots of solutions for organizations to look to. Why ShareFile, and what's the value that it brings to our organizations?
I think the interesting thing that's happening at ShareFile right now is that we've been in business 20 years, from a small startup to one of the leaders in content collaboration and document workflow and e-signature. There's been so much that we've added to our product set. I think the most interesting thing that we're doing now is that over that 20 years, we've seen a lot of use cases. We've seen a lot of customers who have said, hey, this is what I need. And we've added those products. What we're doing now is we're taking a lot of those use cases and we're creating automated workflows that can templatize work. So if you're talking about financial services and you talk about banking, like loan banking, it's not that much of a different process from bank to bank to bank. You need a set of documents that have to come from your end user, from your customer. They have to send those documents in. Those have to go through an approval process. So you can really templatize that. That's a really fun and interesting thing that we're doing. On the other side of that, we're also creating very specific and not generic use cases with our customers too. So you get this best of both worlds where you can create something that's very automated and goes through a plethora of customers, but then you also have, hey, Mr. and Mrs. Customer, this is specific to you and specific to your use case, and we can customize that and make your specific workflow work for you. So that would be my answer. I mean, you do this just like I do. What would be yours?
Right. Well, to your point, every organization is different. Every department is different with different personas of end users and how they need to get data processed and they need to be productive. I think a lot of things that ShareFile does differently from others across the market is that we tend to have a focus on industries and what the industry workflows are. That's what our customers are looking for, is the differentiator from an industry standpoint, and also just from how are we aligning with the trends in the market right now with AI and digital friction.
I totally agree. This has been a great conversation. So thanks for sitting chatting with me for a little bit.
Matt, thanks for having me today. And thanks for talking about ShareFile and the value to organizations.
Absolutely.